Hark! Rexy, the super dino smells trouble lurking in the yard. Oh, silly me. That's just the sweet smell of flowers. What was that? Super Dino Rexy heard the sound of something sneaking around. I knew it. A dragon is hiding somewhere close by, and I, Superhero Rexy, will fight the dragon and defend my backyard from evil. You may be invisible, Mr. Evil Dragon, but you don't fool me. Oh, you may be as tall as this tree, but I'm not afraid of you.
Oh, what's Rexy wearing?
Huh? Oh, a cape. He must be pretending to be Super Rexy, the superhero dragon fighter.
Oh, really? Has he ever caught a dragon before?
Don't be silly. He's just pretending.
Oh, well, that sounds like fun. I think I want to play too.
What's that? Oh, no! Oh, no, the evil dragon has an innocent little bird in his lair. I will save you, little bird. Okay, I have the dragon. Quick, little bird, fly away. You have been saved by Super Rexy. What? Huh? What? My super dino senses notices another evil force lurking in the bushes.
Roar!
Teddy! Teddy, help! There's a real dragon in the yard! Teddy, Teddy, Teddy! Oh, don't be afraid, Rexy. It's only Gilbert pretending to be the dragon.
Roar!
But Gilbert scared me. Oh, well, I know exactly how Super Rexy can fight the evil dragon. Huh? Listen. Take this, you evil drooling dragon!
Oh, no! Oh, dear. Oh, no fair. I was just pretending.
And I was pretending to blast the evil dragon with my super-duper dragon blaster. Well, I told you he was Super Rexy, Dragon Hunter. No one messes with Super Rexy and gets away with it. Try.
Oh, my, I'm soaked. Oh.